na international level. Ikirawan kwenda ikomijabolona kuya matweni indlela yakhe. We will do more to consolidate and advance and modernize our basic services so as to leave no one behind. Where there are services that are lacking at the moment, it is only the agency that has the knowledge, experience, and the capability to be able to extend those services because we have done so over the past 50 years. Fourthly, we celebrate 50 years of economic transformation. Despite persistent challenges, we made progress in economic transformation through the initiatives to promote job creation, infrastructure development, broadening economic opportunities and investment. Our economy in France has, since 1994, has grown 3 times. The rate of poverty has also decreased to come down. Yes, while unemployment has remained high, the number of people in employment has more than doubled from 8 million to 16.7 million today. Many people who have been excluded from playing a key role in the economy, including workers, the middle class, young people, women, and people with disabilities, are now actively participating. Yes, there are still too many South Africans who are unemployed, too many people who live in poverty, and who will not have enough income. Economic transformation, therefore,